this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something from Brazil. This is Cremoso Costela Barbecue. And it sounds like costella means rib, so barbecue rib flavor. Sachet. Noodles in the pot. Three minutes. So what is going on today? Not a lot here. Just been doing my walking back and forth and kind of chilling. It's been a good day. Looks like it's pretty nice out. Probably gonna go hoof it around a little bit later. And yeah, just kind of keeping it real. Really stoked on my boy Miles' birthday coming up this weekend. Waiting for that to happen. Been doing just like an inordinate amount of apartment laps. Last 2 days I've done over 30,000 each day. And I'm already at 26,000. So what is it? Yeah, it's 2:45. I'll probably end up talking to my buddy Stumpy down in Little Rock, and yeah, that will cover that, and then I'll go for a walk. I'll probably end up like 37,000 steps on the day, which is probably like 17.5 miles, something like that. Once I get to 30, it's not like, ooh, I gotta get a lot more. Nah, if I can just get used to doing 30, that's pretty awesome, I think. So, yeah. But yeah, other than that, pretty mellow. I've been exploring the world of low-calorie ice creams, whether they be Halo Top, Scandal Less, Enlightened, Breyers makes one now. But I do all this walking, I end up like burning all these calories, and then I've got like all these calories left at the end of the day. I figure, well, I could just not have anything extra, or, you know. So it's like I always got like an extra 300 calories to burn. So yeah, I'll eat a pint of ice cream, why not? I wish it was cheaper though. I kind of rotate through whatever is on sale. But yeah. 15 seconds to go. You guys got a name for my microwave yet? I sure hope so. Alright, so 300 mils of water, so you get, that was a pretty good sized noodle block, so you basically get a bowl full of noodles with a tiny bit of liquid. And you just dump in the seasoning. Smells almost, yeah, a little bit of a tomato to it. And you just stir like crazy. Wow. It's changing color rapidly. Whoa. There's definitely a lot of tomato going on here. Whoa, that's got a funky smell to it. Whoa, I don't know that I like that. I bet you it's gonna be good. It smells like... It smells like beans. It smells like... Not barbecued ribs, but like... B&M baked beans. Maybe some smokiness. And pea. Like old pea. Like... Bar with a trough urinal pea. Although, you know, hey. You ever get a hankering for that? I don't know. I kind of don't. But we shall see. I bet you it tastes a lot better than what those taste like. I don't know. That's the. I'm told my sniffer is very confused here. So let's try. What we got here. That is unique. That definitely has like... This is from the outer world. Yeah. I don't know what to think about that. I don't dislike it. To the contrary, I find it absolutely fascinating, but I don't know. That's fun. I'm gonna say that's fun flavor. Alright. Okay. And all I see in the pictures seem to be coriander, so I don't know if they call it coriander or cilantro down in Brazil. Because they speak Portuguese down that way. I'm gonna guess it's more of a, might be cilantro. I really don't know. Your guess is better than mine. Especially if you speak Portuguese and know. Okay. Rotate! Alright, well, that was a trip. Yeah, it's like barbecued. I don't know. Very, very unique and very different. So, I don't know. It rotates. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.